Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix I'm not a robot or CAPTCHA error in Google Chrome. These fixes are taken from real Reddit threads where users got CAPTCHA to work again. Let's dive in guys. First step, you just need to open up Chrome and select three dot icon and select extension and select manage extension. You just need to turn off every extensions listed over here, and then you just need to click on the three dot icon and select settings and go to privacy and security and select delete browsing data and select here check mark cookies and site data, cached images and files. Both of them you just need to check mark it and select. And before that you just need to select this all time and then select delete from this device option. Now just close stuff here and reopen the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. Second step, if you are using a VPN or proxy, you just need to turn it off and connect normally. Also, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now type IP. Just click on the command prompt and type IP config space slash FLUS guides DNS and press enter. And now type NETS guides space winsock space reset and press enter. And now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. And the third step, you just need to open the Chrome and click on the three dot icon and go to settings. In settings, go to privacy and security. On right side, you just need to select site settings and you just need to scroll down and select JavaScript and make sure the site can use JavaScript is selected, and then go back and select third party cookies, and you just need to select this option allow third party cookies option, and then you can check if the problem solved or not. While you are in the website like this, you will get this a pop-up right here. If it blocks, then you just need to click on it and allow it guys. This is additional step you just need to do. Fourth step, if nothing works, create a new Chrome profile. To do this, select the three dot icon and select the profile name over here and select add new profile option. Select continue without an account or with an account. You choose it, depends on your preference. And then customize the labels and type the name you want. Select done option, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If you're still having problem, then you just need to try another browser like Firefox to see if the issue is only in Chrome. If you found the CAPTCHA issue fixed, great guys. If not, comment below which step worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 tech fixes.